The Hobestluk L-shaped three-seater feels like it was designed for modern living, where furniture has to adapt, move, and quietly make sense of limited space. This is not a sofa that demands a large room or a permanent layout. It arrives with a different attitude. Flexible, lightweight, willing to change its mind. The entire sectional comes in one box, and it is a heavy one. That part is honest, but once opened, the experience becomes surprisingly simple. Each piece is vacuum sealed, compact and manageable. The moment the seal is broken, the sofa begins to expand, slowly reclaiming its shape. Most of the growth happens quickly, almost theatrically, with the rest settling in over the next day or two. Patience pays off here. The foam firms up, the structure stabilizes, and the couch finds its balance. This sectional is built from two oversized L-shaped chaises, and that design choice defines everything else. The pieces are light enough to move without drama, yet sturdy enough to stay put once placed. 4 different configurations are possible, which means the room can change with the mood. Movie night asks for one layout. Reading quietly asks for another. Guests arrive, and suddenly the couch becomes a wide lounging surface that feels closer to a bed than a traditional sofa. Comfort leans towards supportive rather than sink in soft. The memory foam offers resilience, not collapse. Sitting feels upright and intentional, not swallowed. For those who enjoy structure, this is a strength. The seat height works well for average heights, and the firmness keeps posture intact while still allowing long stretches of relaxation. Over time, the foam softens slightly, but it never loses its shape. The fabric deserves attention. It is breathable, plush, and unexpectedly forgiving. White fabric usually comes with anxiety, but this one handles real life well. Pet hair vacuums easily. Spot cleaning works without drama. The material feels gentle against skin, closer to a cozy throw than typical upholstery. Back cushions and neck pillows are removable, which changes how the sofa feels instantly. Remove them and the couch invites curling up with a book. Put them back and it becomes a proper sitting space again. There is no assembly in the traditional sense. No tools, no instructions written in a tone that assumes failure. The only task is letting the couch breathe. Once expanded, the anti-slip base helps keep the pieces stable, even across mixed flooring like carpet and hardwood. Despite not being physically attached, the sections tend to stay where they are placed. The seating space is generous for its category, though expectations matter. 2 people fit comfortably. 3 can work briefly. This is a small space sectional, not a crowd solution. The couch also sits lower than some expect. For lounging, this feels natural. For those who prefer a higher seat, a raised base or platform could improve comfort. Where this sofa truly succeeds is context. Apartments, offices, first homes, guest rooms, spaces where flexibility matters more than formality. It is easy to imagine this couch moving through different stages of life, adapting without complaint. It does not pretend to be luxury furniture, but it also avoids feeling disposable. The Hobestluk Sectional feels honest, soft where it should be, firm where it needs to be, adaptable without being flimsy. It is not perfect, and it does not try to be. Instead, it offers something quieter and more useful, a comfortable place to land, adjust, and live with, especially when space is limited and expectations are realistic.